wooden railway. I barely buy wooden railway, but this time I made an exception. And we have cabin with a magnetic cargo. That is nice. Well, the reason is, oh look, this is working. A motorized wooden railway, but this is metal. Toby comes with batteries. We'll check that in a minute. And this is Thomas in really good condition. Okay, I'm going to use these tracks since they are ready. Obviously, wooden railway, they are very slow. It's not the same compared with Trackmaster. They are a little faster. But that Toby looks nice. How come I always lost my knife? Every time I'm unboxing, I'm losing my knife. And here is a wooden railway. So this is, what year is it? 1997. James. I thought for a moment that was the tender for James, but this one is for Hiro. Very nice. So it comes, oh, this one also with batteries. It's a motorized James. I like that the four wheels have traction. That's really good. Oh, I found my knife between. I found my knife. Okay, so next is wooden railway Hiro. All these are for with motorized Hiro. These are 2012, so I assume this is Hiro standard and comes with batteries. Yep, comes with batteries too, so I did not have to do anything with the that battery is very out of charge, I think. And here is Percy, motorized Percy. Good condition for the age of this model. You know what, I'm gonna replace the battery. Also, Percy is kind of slow, and the last on this box is a motorized also, Thomas. This one does, I don't think, I'll see if it comes with batteries. Yes, comes with, no batteries. There's a little corrosion. Unfortunately, with these ones, I cannot give, I cannot connect it with, oh, it's working. I was about to say no, not to use the, still slower, but it's working. No, it's picking up speed. I should, with wooden railway, I will not recommend you to use the with these motorized engines, the 5-volt trick. It will damage your light. The little lights burn very easily, but these are okay. That's not the one. So the next box also comes with more wooden railway models. Oh man, this is okay. I got it out. I put fresh battery. I hope this one gives more speed. Yeah, they are about the same speed, but Toby. So I guess I'm going to replace. I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna replace this battery for Toby. Maybe does not hold charge, or I don't know. I need to check also the contacts. You know, they need to be replaced also. I mean, cleaned up, since there might be some sort of hold on, what is going on? Dirt between. Yeah, Toby's a little faster now. This one falls off, but all are in working condition. I mean, they are working, all are working. So I'm going to put this away and open the next box. Okay, here is James, Hiro, Percy, Toby, and Thomas. The tank engine. They look nice. I must say they are coming well padded, motorized wooden railway Thomas models. Good padding. Wow, that's good. I like it. I like it. And in this box we have okay, I don't know how I'm going to start this. First, oh man, okay. So it's another Toby. Well, my batteries. According to the seller, all these models work. I hope all they work. So yes, it is working. Ah, awesome. And we have Victor. This was not in the other lot. Very bright red engine. Okay, batteries. Toby's doing good job. So motorized wooden railway models are a little slower. Yep, all four wheels work on this Victor. That is nice. I don't know if they have the same speed, but I'm putting fresh batteries to these models, and obviously I'm going to clean those battery terminals, giving a little clean up, and hopefully that will I mean, they are working. Good thing that this does not have lights. What I mean is if I have to give them a jump, electric jump, it will damage the light bulb. I remember a long time ago, 4 years ago, 3-4 years ago, I made one of these. What is going on with this Percy? It's not locking. I made a light up. This Percy is not making, the switch is not good. Is it good? Is it working? I thought it was working. I need to fix that switch, but it's at least the four wheels work, so that's no problem. That's good. I guess I gotta fix that switch. I have some switches for this. How I'm gonna do this? I'm gonna put this backwards. Okay, this Percy works. So as soon as I clean the battery terminals, they should catch more speed, but I don't think it's gonna make a big change, since these are the, you know, they that's the speed of these models. James with tender, nice. Okay, as I was saying, I made one time double light Trackmaster. I put the ladies headlamp custom light up, and it was nice. Oh, that one, the rail. What am I doing wrong here? I think it's this is not the original Thomas track. Probably that's the reason it's the railing. Or am I doing something wrong? I don't know. But anyways, so this other, it's working too. James, the rail again, but it's working. See, that one is the original, and this one, these are generics. I do not recommend you to use those generic tracks for your Thomas models. But anyways, that's what we got right now. Next is Thomas, Good thing that this does not come with batteries. It's not recommended to mail models with batteries since they might explode in transit. 4 wheels on this Thomas work. Yeah, that track is not good. And we have another Hiro. Is it the same? Yes, I think it's the same. Good condition. Very good condition. I like to clean these models with microfiber cloth, and they do a very good job. If you want, try to find there's some automotive area. Yeah, it works. That's good. All right, let's see if this Hiro gets doing good. Excellent. And the next one. Okay, I forgot to tell you, for those who never had one of these on your own hands, on their hands, the cover, the top is metal, the chassis is metal, wheels and this is plastic, all the rest is metal. Tenders are wood. Yeah, this is wood and plastic wheels. But this Spencer is looking good. Okay, I'm gonna put a fresh battery on this Spencer. I lost track of how many of these engines. I'm trying to check all these models. 4 wheels work. That is good. This is the turn 4 Spencer. Motorized railway Spencer, wooden railway. Okay, I think I have 2-3 more, something like that. Good deal today. I mean, good find. Motorized railway. This is diesel. Is it diesel or just call it Devious diesel? Nice find. All wooden railway. I was lucky to get this delivered today, but obviously I'm posting the next day. Yeah, okay, this is metal, this is plastic. I'm uploading the video next day. Since today I made another video, I have this live next day. Oh, come on. I think those that okay, it's working. Diesel and Thomas, the tank engine. This is one of the ones you never want to try to give 5 volts. That little light, it might burn very easily. They are just designed for 1.5 volts up to 2 volts. You are lucky if you can make it work with 3 volts. Oh man, this is stuck. How come? I think I was doing wrong. See that little light? Okay, now this one is a little noisy, but that can be fixed. That one actually is the one of those cogs, and actually this one is kind of translucent. You can see through. There's the motor and just a couple wirings. Oh, come on. Can't put it on. Okay, there it is. Yeah, I need to fix that one. I think I posted a video on how to fix some of these models. Are there any more? Okay, that's the last one here. Thomas, you're making a little noise and you're slowing down everybody. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the side. And it's wooden railway motorized Gordon. This one is wood, plastic. Gordon. So there was only one Thomas with light. The others, they do not have light. That's good. I think those are 2012. Most of those are 2012. Oh, this is different. This plastic is blue. I guess I'm going to replace that battery terminal, but it's working. Gordon is working. There you go. Kind of slow. I need to clean that battery terminal, but or replace it. But it's working. That is great. Check the link in the description. They might be posted next day.